this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create custom views for different reporting and things like that. So once we're all logged into Google Analytics, we're going to go to Admin, and then over here in the top right, we're going to create a view. For this instance, we're going to create a view where we're only looking at the services section of the website, all of these pages. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to pull the slug. So we're going to name this services, create the view. Then we're going to go back into view settings, and we want the default page to be the services. So everything that comes after services, all of those pages will be included. And that is how you set up custom views.